How to edit and customize product page in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize and edit and access your product page into your Wix website or your Wix store, should I say. The process is going to be very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you head over wix.com, then you are going simply to sign in into your account. Once you have did that, you're going to face up the site's dashboard. Here we have the site's dashboard of ours, so we are going to select one of the websites that we have. If you do not have a website, it is very simple to create a new site. And make sure that you are going to add the selling and having some products or adding Wix stores into your products or into your website. So here we are going to select one of the websites. I'm going to select this. Then we are going to make sure that we have at least a store or a product added. So we are going to head over the catalog and make sure that we have store products. And if you have no store products in here, you are going to select from there the apps, then visit App Market. And from here, we are going to visit Wix stores only. So we are going to install the app called Wix Stores, and this is it. So this is the presentation of the app. Click on, normally you are going to see install if it is not installed, like that, and boom. Now what I'm going to do is to head over here. I'm going to close up this. So we are going to head over the store products. Make sure that we have at least a product. Boom, I have some. Now I'm going to head over my home or my setup page and click on design site or edit site. Now, as you can see, I have preloaded the website successfully. So we are going to see it right there. Now, what I am going to do is to click on the left side of the screen or choose from these elements, pages and menu, select it. And then we are going to see the site menu, the cart and thank you, store pages, and etc. Now, I'm going to select from the store pages, product page. So I'm going to click on it. Now, what I'm going to see here is going to be the presentation or the product page. So here we have the product page. As you can see, I'm going to delete that text because I have added it before. Now, this is the representation of the product. As you can see, we have the images that are going to be representing the product. We have here the title of the product, the SKU code, the price, the quantity chooser, or the quantity, as you can see, the vertifier. And here we have the add to cart and buy now button. The product info or the description in here, and here we have some more information about our store. Now, how we can customize this specific area. So basically, how we can navigate first to the product that we want. Basically here we are going to see that we have here the name of the product floating, and that is going to have a drop down menu. So I'm going to click on it, and then we are going to see the list of the products. Obviously here I have only some examples, but for example, this I have created this is a winter bundle, so we are going to work on this. How we can customize this page. Either you are going to click on manage product to manage the page or the product itself by the description, the title, and the images, or you can go ahead and click on settings. So you're going to see the setting, the layouts, and the text, and the design of this page. Now, as you can see, if you want to customize this page, you're going to click on customize and it will take you to the layout. Here we have some page layout. As you can see, we have the classic one. We have the sleek one, which is going to be showing you the preview right away when you click on it. We have the stunning one also. We have the spotlight and we have the simple one. Here I am used to the classic one because it is not going to take a lot of space and also the photo is not going to be gigantic. So here you can stretch to the full width of the section or the page, as you can see, and it is going to be a little bit bigger, and I'm going to let it as it is. Now for product images, you can go ahead and show thumbnails as like this bottom. So, and also you can let the thumbnails show in at the left side, the right side, and as dots. Here, the thumbnails, we mean the variation of the images or the illustrations that we have added to that product page. Now, for the image ratio, we have a lot of ratios. I'm going to let it as auto because this it is going to be set up as naturally as possible. For the resizing of the image, we have the crop or the fit. So for the fit, it is not going to be okay, but for the crop, it is going to be zooming in a little bit and also getting that, let's say, a special section for that specific area of the image. You can put a zoom on the image or you can disable that. That was for the layout. Now for the settings, you can go ahead and see what can we display. So we have, as you can see, the product price, the SKU code. We've had an SKU code, the quantity selector, the navigation, which is going to be here enabled or disabled navigation, and also info section, which is going to be the, let's see here, the description, or you can go ahead and add it. It is going to be like here, low stock message and discount name, for example. Now, for the add to cart, you're going to see here that we have to show the button. We can show it, or as you can see, hide it and let only buy now. For the direct purchase, we have here also some options to set up for the add to cart, I think. Yes. We have show success pop-up, open site cart. Here, go to cart page, which is going to take you to the cart page, stay on product page, and etc. Now for the parameters of buy now, we have show button, change automatically by payment method, for example, which is going to show you, for example, here Amazon Pay or Apple Pay, let's say here PayPal, and etc. And for the final social bar, as you can see, media bar, you can go ahead and show up the icons of the social media. Now for the text, you are going to modify the button text, for example, for the pre-orders, the button text add, for example, add to cart, buy now, out of stock, and etc. For the wish list, you are going to add the members area to make that, or the heart, let's say, or add to wish list area for only the members. Now for the design, you can design the backgrounds and borders, the product details, the buttons, and the info sections. So for example, you can here regulate the background opacity and color, the image border opacity and color, thumbnail also border opacity and color. And for the product details, you can go ahead and set up the alignment of details of the product. For example, here are going to put them to the middle, just like this. This is the product details. You can go ahead and show them here, here, there. And also for the product name, you can go ahead and customize the font and also the color of them. And as you can see, the payment option appearance, dark, light, and etc. For the final one, we have the buttons, oh, not the final one, but we have the shape of the buttons. You can go ahead and make them just like that, a little bit bordered or cornered. Here we have some squares. Here's some, as you can see, sharp squares. Here's softened squares, and also for the info section, you can make it collapsible, tabs, stacked, and column. The alignment of the section, as you can see, and etc. And also the title, the paragraph, and etc. Basically, that was all for today's video for the customization. You can go ahead and add some elements and also some sections to the product section, as you can see, or the product page. It is something standard. For example, if you are going to add an image or a text, just like that, drag and drop it, just like here, and here we have it. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.